What's up guys, we're back again today with another great video, and in this video we're actually going to see if she can change my cabin filter. So let's go ahead and let's get to it. So anyway guys, in this video we're actually going to see if Taylor knows how to change the cabin filter in my 2008 Scion TC. As you guys know, when we changed the oil in her car, I actually showed her how to do it in her car. So let's see if she was paying attention and can do it with mine. We were actually looking forward to doing the NVIDIA S-Pipe this weekend or fixing the demon eyes on the car, but it rained all weekend long and I want to have, you know, a couple of days in case something does go wrong because I had to have my car during the week for work. All right guys, so for a 2008 Scion TC, it should be basically all the first gen should be the same air filter, but same as her car, we got the Fram Fresh Breeze, which has the Arm & Hammer baking soda in it. It'll make your air kind of smell a little bit better. But it's CF10139 is the one that you guys will need for a first gen TC. So let's go ahead and we'll hand this over to Taylor and see if she can do it. All right, so Taylor, where is the cabin filter on my car? Let's see if you know where it's in.
I think it's in the glove box, behind the glove box.
All right, we'll come out here and show us how to pull it out.
Let's see.
All right, so now do you know how to take the glove box off?
But I don't know where the clips. Oh, I think you just pull it.
Okay, so now wait, before you mess something up, I'm gonna show you. All right, so you're gonna push this side in right here. Okay, wait one second. I'm gonna push this side in and the other side in at the same time, and it's gonna unclip the two clips right here. Okay, and normally, wait one second. So normally guys, there's actually mine always falls off for some reason. It's actually messed up. I actually broke one of the clips off of it, taking it on and off. But your little hinge right here that makes, you know, like when you shut your glove box, okay, open it back up. If she was to just let go of it, it'll slam down, and the little hinge right here is what keeps it from slamming down. It'll make it go down easy. So it's actually probably back in there somewhere and it's fell off. So first off, you'll want to go ahead and pull that hinge, this little clip off right here. It's super easy. And then now go ahead and push in both sides. And if you had to, push in this side first. Like push in this side and kind of pop it down.
Okay.
Okay. And now do the other side. Okay.
Okay.
So now, also when you do that, you'll see it kind of happens in one step. But you can see there's two little hinges right here and two little hinges right here. And you'll actually just pull out on those, and that's what makes them open up. So, and as you guys can see right here is where we have all the underglow wires and stuff hid. So now show me where how to get it out.
This thing right here.
Yep.
You just pull it out.
Yep, you just slide it out.
Oh yeah. Ew.
Okay. So as you guys can see, it's pretty dirty. I actually cannot remember the last time that we changed this filter in here. Let's make sure it's the right one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now, do you know which side goes up and which side goes down?
So it looks like this side goes up.
And how do you know that?
Because it's like that right there.
Okay.
On your old one.
If you actually look right here, on the old one, it actually says airflow, and it actually has an arrow pointing down. This one, for some reason, does not have the airflow sign, but it says up on this side, so you'll know. So they've just changed the design a little bit. So this side is definitely the side that goes up. So go ahead and pull that out. All right. Make sure you get it in all four clips. There you go, and then just kind of got to force it down a little bit because there's actually little plastic clips right here, here, and then up here, and you kind of just got to push it down even, then it'll go under those clips.
You gotta make sure it's in. You just pop it right back in there.
All right, guys. So Taylor has our new air filter in there, and now she's going to show you how to put your glove box back on. So first, you're going to line up your clips down here onto these. So go ahead and do that. Make sure they're good and clipped in on both sides. There you go. And then now the only thing you got to do is just push up, and then the two side clips will go in. And then, wait 1 second. And then that's when you'll grab your little hinge right here, and then you'll pop it back on. It's actually like a little strut is what it is. I was looking for the word. So then you'll clip that on, and then you'll be good. And then if for some reason it doesn't line up properly, there's actually two on the bottom clips. There's actually two separate ones, and you can kind of adjust it on those, but you'll eventually get it to where it'll shut right. Sometimes this little edge will pop out more or less depending on how you put it on there, but just work with it and it'll eventually go back to where it needs to be. So guys, one thing really quick is if you were wondering how often you're supposed to actually change your cabin filter, it is every 15,000 miles. So I mean, if you're one of the people like how me and Taylor do, we change our oil every 5,000 miles roughly to 4,000 miles. So pretty much every 3 oil changes is when you'll need a cabin filter. And you know, a lot of people don't know this, but if you have allergies and stuff like that really bad, if your cabin filter's clogged up, it's not going to catch, you know, a lot of the pollen and dirt and stuff like that that sucks in through your car, because it's coming in through the front and then going through that filter and then blowing in your face through your AC. So if you're not keeping that clean, then it's just going to blow all that pollen up in your face, and then it can actually make your allergies worse having all this clogged up. So anyway guys, it looks like Taylor did actually pay attention a little bit when I was doing her cabin filter. One last thing at the end of this video, I do want to shout out somebody. His name is Will Master Detailing, and I'll actually put it right here in the bottom right now. And my headlights, you guys know I love my headlights, and I know a lot of you guys do, but the lenses were actually starting to get yellowed a little bit. I don't know if you guys noticed it in the videos before, but he actually cleared them up for me, and now they look great. And he actually put a little bit of ceramic coating on them, so hopefully it'll keep them from getting dingy as fast. So if you guys need anything detailing or anything like that, if you're in the Middle Tennessee area, he is in Clarksville, or in the south, I guess the southwest part of Kentucky, like Bowling Green, that area. It's not that far of a drive for you guys, and he's a great detailer. He does a lot of really cool cars. Like I said before, his Facebook will be below right now. You can go check it out. So please give him some business. He does a great job, and he's actually certified and warranties all of his ceramic coatings and everything like that. So go check his page out. So anyway guys, it's pretty much it for this video. I know this video was kind of a short, simple video, but it was more or less kind of to test Taylor. You all should test your girlfriends or fiancés and see if they know and actually pay attention when you're working on your car. It's pretty fun. I'm actually glad that she did pay attention, so that way next time she can change her cabin filter and won't have to rely on me to do it for her. Or if she ever gets in a situation, you know, like on the road or anything like that with a blown tire or something like that, she'll know what she needs to do. So it's always good to teach your fiancés or girlfriends what to do on their car and some maintenance things that they can do on their car. But anyway guys, like I said before, the weather kind of messed us up doing the NVIDIA S-Pop or the Demonize this week. So if you guys want to see, tell me which video you guys would rather see next week. Go ahead and comment down below, or you know, on Instagram or anything like that, and say NVIDIA S-Pop or Demonize, and we'll actually go ahead and do that video next Saturday if weather permits. So I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you hadn't subscribed already. We do have a lot of new subscribers, and we're growing the channel pretty quick. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit the bell so you guys will get a notification when new videos are live. So I'll see y'all next Wednesday. Peace out, and remember, build your masterpiece.